Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something deeply personal, something we all struggle with but often keep hidden: negative thoughts. You know, the ones I am talking about, that little voice inside your head that whispers, you are not good enough, you will never succeed, why even try, you are just going to fail. Does that sound familiar? If you have ever felt trapped by those thoughts, I want you to know you are not alone. I have been there too. In fact, most of us fight with this invisible enemy every single day. But here's the truth: negative thoughts are not facts, they are just thoughts. And in this video, I am going to share with you practical ways to stop them, to take back control, and to finally believe in yourself again. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive deep into this life-changing conversation. Let me start with a story from my own life. There was a time when I consistently believed I wasn't good enough. In school, I compared myself to others. If someone got better grades, I thought, see, you are not smart enough. Later, when I wanted to try something new, whether it was applying for a job, starting a project, or even speaking up in a group, my brain told me, don't bother, you will fail, people will laugh at you. And you know what? I believed it. I let those thoughts control me. I quit before I even started. But then one day I realized something powerful. Negative thoughts are like uninvited guests. They knock on the door of your mind, but you don't have to let them in. You don't have to serve them tea. You don't have to let them sit on your couch. Then one day I realized something powerful. Negative thoughts are like uninvited guests. They knock on the door of your mind, but you don't have to let them in. You don't have to serve them tea. You don't have to let them sit on your couch. That realization changed my life. And today I want to share how you can do the same. First, let's understand, why do we even have these negative thoughts? There are a few reasons. Your brain is wired to protect you. Our brains are designed for survival, not happens. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors had to look out for danger all the time. That's why the brain tends to focus on what's wrong, what could go wrong, and what might hurt us. It's trying to keep us safe. Past experiences. Maybe someone criticized you, made fun of you, or told you that you weren't good enough. Those words stick like glue. Even years later, your mind repeats them. Comparison. Social media makes it worse. We scroll, we see people with perfect lives, and suddenly we think, why can't I be like them? I am not enough. Fear of failure. Sometimes your brain convinces you not to try so you won't get hurt. It whispers, don't apply for that job, don't start that business, don't talk to that person. It's fear disguised as protection. So remember this: negative thoughts are your brain's way of trying to protect you, but instead of helping, they often end up trapping you. Now let's get to the most important part: how to stop negative thoughts. I want to share with you 6 powerful steps that have helped me and millions of others. Notice the thought: awareness. The first step is awareness. Most of us don't even realize how often we are thinking negatively. The thought pops up, we believe it, and we feel terrible. But the moment you notice it, you create distance. For example, instead of saying, I am not good enough, say, I am having the thought that I am not good enough. See the difference? The first one feels like a fact. The second one is just a passing thought. Awareness reduces its power. Challenge the thought. Ask yourself, is this really true? What evidence do I have that I am not good enough? Have I ever succeeded at something? Have I ever become challenges before? Most of the time, the answer is yes. You have achieved things. You have survived hard days. You have learned, grown, improved. That's proof that the thought is lying. Reframe with positives. Instead of repeating the negative script, rewrite it. I am not good enough. I am learning and improving every day. I always fail. Failure is feedback. Every mistake makes me stronger. I can't do this. I may not know how weak, but I can learn. Your brain believes what you feed it. Give it kinder, truer words. Here's a secret action kills fear. When you are stuck in your head, negative thoughts multiply. But when you take even a small step, you prove them wrong. Want to start a business? Recharge one idea today. Want to get healthier? Take a 10-minute walk. Want to be more confident? Speak up once in a meeting. Tiny actions create evidence, and evidence builds confidence. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment shapes your thoughts. If you hang around people who constantly criticize or doubt you, your brain will echo that. But if you surround yourself with supportive friends, uplifting content, inspiring mentors, your thoughts shape too. So ask yourself, who am I listening to? Whose voices fill my head? Choose wisely. Daily habits to train your mind. Negative thoughts won't disappear overnight, but with daily practice, you can rewire your brain. Gratitude. Every night, write down three things you are grateful for. This trains your brain to focus on what's good. Mindfulness meditation. Take a 5 minutes a day to sit quietly, breathe, and watch your thoughts like clouds passing in the sky. From today, whenever you hear I am not good enough, I want you to pause and remind yourself I am enough. I always was. I always will be. The world needs your voice, your ideas, your energy. Don't let a negative thought steal your future. If this video spoke to you, please share it with someone who also struggles with negative thoughts. Together, we can build a community where we lift each other up instead of tearing ourselves down. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.